What is going on YouTube, and welcome to the video of Packy Kicks. This is Seaver, and today for you guys I have a brand new video. And for today's video I'm going to do a sneaker unboxing. My latest pickup here I purchased from GOAT. But before we get into the unboxing, please make sure to like this video as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd really appreciate if you guys did that for me. It helps support my channel and keep my content growing and keep the channel growing. But with that all being said, let's get right into this unboxing. So getting into this unboxing itself, the shoe that I picked up here came from GOAT, and it's a recent hyped Nike release that came, I believe, like a week or two ago, if I'm not mistaken. And unfortunately, I took an L on these, and which is a shame because I really wanted the sneaker. But you know, Nike sneakers be always bullshitting like always. You know, keep giving you L's whenever you enter a drawing and stuff. So Nike sneakers like a hit or miss for me, honestly. Like either I win some stuff or I get the Leo drops, or I don't, and that's a resort to resell. But nonetheless, I really wanted this sneaker for the collection and for just, you know, obviously collection purposes, wearing purposes. And the shoe here is not the best shoe, but I'll show you guys when we get into that. But with all that being said, I have my scissors with me and we're gonna open up the box. So open up the box here. As you guys can see, we have our Nike box that has a retro logo, has the Nike black Nike swoosh on it. And on the side we have the Nike again. On the back it says engineered and built to the exact specifications of championship athletes around the world. So this is like the original retro Nike box. And getting to the front of the shoe, or the tag of the shoe, if you guys can see, we have the Air Max 270 Cactus Trail. So the sneaker that I bought here was a Travis Scott Air Max 270 React Cactus Trails. And we're gonna open it up, and as you guys can see, we have a little GOAT sticker, an authentication sticker, and you have the paper that shows you the Cactus Jack and the Cactus Trails. So let's remove that quickly out the way. And this is the first time I'm opening the shoe too, so you guys will get my full-on reaction thoughts on the sneaker itself. And open up the paper. Here we have the Travis Scott Air Max 270 React Cactus Trails. And looking at the shoe in general, it is not that bad in person. I do think it is still kind of ugly here and there, but it's definitely a shoe I wanted for sure, because if you guys don't know, I am a huge Travis Scott fan. Behind me you see I have the little Travis Scott picture hanging on my wall, and I have the Reese's Puffs on the side. But besides that, I do have almost every Travis Scott sneaker. I do have the 1s, the 6s, the 4s. The only two that I'm missing from the Travis Scott sneakers is the SB Dunk, because the prices for those are just insane. They were so crazy limited, and the 33s because those are not the best ones. So but here are the 270s ENG Cactus Trails, and overall, again, not bad in person. They are definitely a lot better than in the pictures online. They do look really comfortable too, really clean nonetheless, and I'm glad to have this shoe. You know, I've been wanting this shoe since it came out, and unfortunately, like I said before, I took an L on Nike sneakers, which is, you know, nothing new, you know, because of the sneaker drawings and stuff. So I had to definitely get these on GOAT. I think I got these for a good price, because apparently I bought a defective pair where it said it had a little cut on this like pajama or sweatpant print. I forgot like what's the actual material is called, but if you guys don't see, it's right there. You can't really tell. So I feel like I lost nothing here. And overall, again, the shoe looks clean. I'm gonna get into more specifics of the shoe when I do a review on this. So expect like a review on the sneaker probably tomorrow or sometime this weekend. Just depends on how much time I have on me. But otherwise, again, this is the unboxing. This is the shoe I got on GOAT, and you see I have the Cactus Jack branding on the back side. But like I said before, we're gonna do it on feet and a much more detail of the shoe when I do the sneaker review. But again, that's basically the unboxing I have today for you guys. Again, please let me know what you guys would think of my most recent pickup from GOAT. Let me know if you guys do like this shoe, or you guys think on feet this will look better. And also, please let me know what you guys, if you guys did have this shoe, what would you feel? Would you guys resell this or keep for the personal? Let me know what you guys think about that. Again, please make sure to like this video, as well as subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Again, I appreciate the support, and if you guys do that for me, just, you know, makes my content grow more. And also, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at Hasib_Mian. The Instagram on the bottom left corner of this video. And again, I appreciate you guys watching today's unboxing. Peace.
Hundreds feel like ones, millions feel like thousands. Never see the sun, always see the night. Gang just like them.